Happy Wednesday, my maths group. Middle of the week already. Now, for our arithmetic starter today, we're looking at calculating missing box addition questions. So we're just concentrating on the addition element of it today. And as you can see on the example, we've got this addition calculation with this box here missing. So we know that there's going to be a digit that goes in there. So once you do the calculation, your answer will be 6,437. Now, a few things that we need to remember when we're doing these types of questions. Firstly, it's a missing box addition question. Now, in this missing box, only one digit can be put in there. Right, now there's been some misconceptions beforehand that maybe the answer for this missing box could be 11, for example, because you're trying to make 4 down here, right? But what we need to remember is that in any addition calculation we do, you would only have one digit per box, okay, or per place value. The second thing to remember is when we do written methods of addition, we start in our ones column and we add up to our, whatever in this instance, thousands column. So go and do the same thing as that, children. All right? So we're going to have a go together, and then you're going to have pause the video and have a go at a question yourself, and then we'll work together to see what the answer is. So let's have a look then. So we look at the ones column to start off with. 3 add 4 is 7. So that looks like that's correct. We then go into the tens column. 5 plus 8. And we've got this in tens column is a 3. Well, we know 5 plus 8 is 13. So the 3 must represent 3 tens. And then we've got this 100th. So we need to remember to exchange 100 right, into our hundreds column. Now this is where sometimes a mistake is made because we forget that we've exchanged 100 when we are adding this missing box and the 7 to try and make 4. So how do we make our next sum with the hundreds value being 4? Well, we need to remember we've exchanged 1 here. And if we add back to 7, we get 8. Oh, we need to make sure that whatever we add to 8, we end with a number that has 4 at the end of it. Well, if we add 6 in here, does that work? 1 plus 6 is 7, plus 7 is 14. Well, the last digit will be the 4, and that's correct. What we need to remember now is we're exchanging 1,000. So we need to make sure that that 1 we're exchanging sits above 5. Well, 1 plus 5 equals 6. Brilliant, we've got that right. Well, how do we know that we're right? We think that missing value is a 6. Well, let's leave it as a 6 and do that calculation again to see if we get 6,437. 3, I'm going to do it in a different colour pen actually. 3 plus 4 is 7, so that part is right. 5 plus 8 is 13, so the 3 is correct. We are exchanging 1. 1 plus 6 is 7, plus 7 is 14, so the 4 part is right, and we're exchanging another 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. Brilliant, we've got that right. Fantastic. Right then, children, now's your chance to have a go. Now, what you may notice straight away, there are 2 missing boxes. So think carefully about it. Do what we have just done together, children. Work from the ones column your way through. Right? Remember, once you think you've got an answer, double check to make sure that you are right. Pause the video, have a go, and then unpause the video, and we will work through together to get the answer. Right, well done for having a go, children. So let's have a look then. 2 plus something is 8. Well, if that was 6, 2 plus 6 does equal 8. So that's okay at the moment, isn't it? Well, let's have a look at the next column, so our tens column. 9 plus 2 is 11. So the ones works there, but we need to remember to exchange 1 here. So we're adding 1 plus something plus 8 to get, okay, the 7 at the end. Well, if I add 1 and 8 together, I get 9. What do I need to add to 9 to have a number that ends in 7? That's right. If I put 8 in there, does that now work? 1 plus 8 is 9, plus 8 is 17. So the 7 part is correct, but we need to exchange that 1 now. 1 plus 4 is 5. So I think that I've got the right digits, but we don't just think, do we? We can go through and check. What we're doing now is just doing that calculation to see if we end up with 5,718. Well, let's have a go together, see if that's right. 2 plus 6 is 8. That part is correct. 9 plus 2 is 11. So the 1's digit is correct there. We need to exchange a 1 here. 1 plus 8 is 9. Plus 8 is 17. So the 7 digit is correct. We need to exchange the 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. Brilliant. We got that one right. But it's really important that we are checking once you've filled in those missing digits. Now, for example, if the 8 in this column we put as a 9, the calculation wouldn't work. So you know that you've gone wrong somewhere along the line. Okay. Your question in today's arithmetic starter, write the 3 missing digits to make this addition calculation correct. Have a good try at that, children. If you need to watch a video again, do so. It will support you. Have a good go. Always remember, once you think that you've got those missing digits correct, do that calculation again. And if it works out correctly, you know you've got it right. Well done, children. Have a really good go at that. And I will see you for tomorrow's arithmetic starter. Bye.